welcome to another vlog. I haven't vlogged in a minute because I had a bunch of footage and my smart self deleted a lot of the footage that I had in one of my memory cards, and I had a whole video done and it was gone. It was completely wiped out and I wasn't able to finish editing. I should have exported it when I was done. I haven't been all like there these past few weeks because I've been struggling with a bit of like health things. I recently found a lump on my breast and I've just been in the process of meeting with my doctor, getting exams done, doing all the things, and it's been so stressful that I haven't really had like the energy or even the motivation to even pick up the camera and film. And if I do, it's like those bursts of energy that I have are just like reminders like, hey, you should probably create content. So today we're gonna be doing a cute little fall night routine, and I was actually scrolling on social media. I have a whole bunch of videos on there for you to go watch and stalk me on. So I really want to go to the gym because we just got a Gold membership and I really like that gym. It's really bougie and nice. So, and I think I'm gonna do an upper body workout that I did with one of my friends from church. So I'm gonna put myself through it. But before I do that, I want to make dinner. Today I'm gonna attempt to make the lasagna soup. We don't have the lasagna like pasta, but we have like the big rigatoni, like literally they're this big. And then I'm going to get ready for the gym. We're gonna spend the evening together and have a productive night routine because I need to get back on my Zoom. Let's go make this lasagna soup. Vamos. Technically, it's not like a lasagna soup, it's more of like a pasta soup. I just wanted to grab a little bit to see how it tastes, if it needs anything. But the whole house smells bomb. That's all I gotta say. This is the noodle right here. It's like a ravioli. Oh, it smells so good. See, just call me Chef Boyardee. I know how to cook, okay? I know how to do it. But am I lazy? Yeah, I am. All I need is like some fresh basil. I think I might need like a little bit more salt. A little bit more salt and I think I'm good. But but I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna head to the gym. So I'll see you when we get to the gym.
Flip off the camera. No. Keep it PG, Jeremy.
So I got a vanilla iced pulpe, and hubby was saying that it tastes better if you add the, what was it, the ice cream?
I think so, yeah.
the vanilla ice cream that they have, it probably does taste better because it's a little strong, but I like it that way. Bacon, egg, and cheese sausage Sammy. Also, the chicken was a sausage.
Yeah.
Damn. So I got the bacon. Hashies. Let's some. Want some? You don't see how big this burrito is though? I didn't know the burritos were pretty big.
And we're sharing these.
Oh, and we're sharing mini what? Where are these? I know I said that I was gonna go to the gym last night, but we ended up coming this morning.
I got out late.
He got out late, and we usually like to go together. So, and I ended up making dinner, so we just had dinner, watched a few episodes, and then we knocked out because I was like, nah, we're gonna go in the morning. And we made it. We made it to the gym at 5 a.m. So that's all that matters. I'll see you when I get back home.